Hey guys, in this video I'm going to do a homemade stuffing from scratch. I am going to use bread. I bought a loaf of Italian bread yesterday. I cut it up into about 1/4 to 1/2 inch cubes, let it dry overnight. I put it in the oven to really dry them out for about 10 minutes at 300 degrees. I'm going to add onions, carrots, celery. I mixed up a little bit of poultry seasoning here with fresh sage, rosemary, and thyme. We got some butter and some chicken broth. We'll salt and pepper to taste. So follow me over to the oven and we'll get this going. Okay, so I'm going to start this to medium-high heat. I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of butter. Let that melt down. While that's going, I'm going to throw in 4 stalks of celery, 2 small or 1 large onion, and then I'm going to shave up 2 to 3 carrots. Let that cook until all of the ingredients cook down, until translucent. Then we'll add the bread, the stock, the herbs. Once that's all mixed in, we will put it in the oven and bake it for about 35 to 40 minutes. You cut these carrots up nice and small so they cook real nice. Give this a good stir. Okay, our veggies have cooked down. Our onions are about translucent. Now we're going to add our cubed bread. Three cups of broth. Dumping it all over these breadcrumbs. Soak this right up. We're going to add our herb mixture. Again, it's parsley, thyme, rosemary, and sage. Give this a quick stir. Okay, now that we have this mixture all stirred, all the liquid's all soaked up. Okay, so we're going to mix it. We're going to cover this up, a couple dots of butter. We'll cover it, put it in the oven for about 30 minutes, covered, and then we'll uncover it for the last 10 minutes. Okay, time for the stuffing to come out. We remove the top and we broiled it a little bit to crisp the top. And that is done. Now that's got to cool because that is really hot. Then it's ready to serve with our turkey and our cranberry for our Thanksgiving dinner.